So you're going to secure your vehicle now,
Oh, okay.
and then you can come off your pedals and relax. Good, really well done. You pulling up on the left is really, really nice. Some things I'm noticing, and we're going to work on straight away. I'm going to nip them in the bud before they become bad habits. And the first bad habit, yes, yeah, absolutely. You read my mind.
Yeah.
You know you're not checking them.
I know. I forget. I'm like, there's too much going on. I can't.
We need to make sure that that is the first thing you're doing before you do anything. Don't dive on the indicator. Don't dive on the pedals or the gear stick. First things first, mirrors.
Yeah.
And I'm not seeing them when we're changing direction. I'm not seeing them sometimes before we signal, and that's the real key one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm either just. Do you want me to give you a second chance here? I can give you a second chance to redeem yourself. Are you going to redeem yourself? Because if you're not, we're going to have to go back to the mirror check lesson, and I'm going to make it really boring for you. It's going to be like left turn, right turn, mirrors, 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 mirrors. What's coming now? We're going to overtake that car. What mirror should you check? It's not the most fun lesson, because you know when you should be checking your mirrors.
I know. Yeah. I just straight out my brain. Straight
Just
out my
flies
brain.
out. It's just like, I'm not here today. I'm gone. Are you? Do you want to give it another go without any help from me? And I'm just going to keep an eye on you.
I think, yeah.
I have faith in you. They're just mirror checks.
I've not that much faith in myself.
You should have more.
I
I'm
know.
going to see how you get on. Okay.
Right.
Just be aware that there's a watch on your mirror checks. There's a red cross underneath them at the moment. If you then carry on in a moment and they're fine, I will slowly rub it out. Okay?
Right.
If they're still not happening, then we will revert back to, let's just go straight back to basics, because I can't have you not checking them by the time you go, you're ready for your test.
Yeah.
I can't just think, oh, she'll get it by the time she's ready for a test. It's not me doing my job properly.
Yeah,
So
she probably won't.
She might not. I mean, if she's never been taught to check her mirrors, then why would she before her test, or after she's passed? So definitely need to do those. The one thing I'm worried about is your fear about the roundabouts. I know you're very nervous. You're a really nervous driver. But you're so wonderful as well at the same time. Like, you're so very calm with everything, and it's very beautiful and methodical. You're very kind to the car, and you've got a good head on your shoulders. You know exactly what's going on around you. The confidence will come. It really, really will. But if you feel like you would benefit from getting out of the car and just having a look at a roundabout, because I've done this many a times with pupils, I get out, we go and stand by a roundabout, we look like proper weirdos, and I point to you at a colour of car, and I'm like, where's the red one going? And you should immediately be able to tell me where it's off to.
Right.
Straight away, no hesitation, no thought. You should be able to say there, or here. If you feel like you'd benefit from that, then let me know.
Right.
I'm more than happy to do it with you. It helps everybody massively. And the good thing about it is you get all this practice. Where's the car going? What position are they in? Are they signalling? How fast are they going? And you are not in a car. You haven't got people behind you, so it takes that pressure off you straight away.
Right.
So if that is something you'd like to do, let me know. We can do it today. But I do want to see you maintaining speed a little better, because you are slowing right down, and you're staring for ages. You're just like, I don't know where you're going. Please don't come near me. Have a bit more confidence.
Right.
Because you've got this. You really, really have. I have to push you because I know you are capable. All right?
Yes. Well then, okay. That scared the living daylights out of me. I was like, what have I done? I was like,
just on the road.
I was like, how have I managed to mess up here?
Honestly, you feel like everybody hates you, but they don't, my sweetheart. You're doing absolutely fine.
Oh.
You really, really are. You really are. We're going to stay local, because I don't want to, take you too far out.
Throw me off completely.
Yes, yeah. But like I said, I think your position on the roundabouts, from what I could see on that last one, was absolutely fine. Again, you were not checking your mirrors as you moved over.
Yeah.
Really, really important, because like I said, if we're going around, somebody coming from this direction might think we're going all the way round.
Right.
And they'll sneak onto the roundabout and meet our speed because we are going quite slow, and then all of a sudden we come off like that.
And go straight into them.
Yeah, or he goes straight into us. But you just need to check. And the only way to check is check those mirrors, all right? And that's the last I'll say about this. So when you're ready, you're going to restart the engine.
Hello. Oh, you're going to make me actually do it again, aren't you?
Yeah, he turns off.
That's
He's
fine.
like, fine, I'm going to do a nap now.
Right. I do need to indicate, do I? Yeah, because I'm parked.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, so you're parked at the moment, you're in a parked position. If you wish to rejoin the road, so get into a nice driving position, you are going to have to let everybody know that that's what you're doing.
Right.
But the only way to know if there is anybody to, inform in the first place is by looking. So we're going to have a good look around. Have you prepared your car?
I have put it in gear, so yes.
What's your right foot doing?
It's on the clutch. Why is it on the clutch?
Your left foot's on the
No,
clutch.
yep, I don't know my lefts and rights. That's fine.
Was your right foot on the brake?
It wasn't.
Where was your right foot? What was your right foot doing?
It was just on the floor. I just hadn't thought about it yet.
You need that foot. You need that foot. That's the one that controls the gas. So you get up foot and do your job. You're going to apply your gas and soak to about 1.5. You do need gas. That's the power from the engine. So you're going to set that. And then with your left foot, you find your bike. Don't let the car roll. That's a loss of control.
Nope. Don't let the car roll.
Don't let the car roll.
Right.
You got it?
I think so.
Cool. Now we're going to look.
Oh, lordy, lordy.
I can see a blue car in the distance.
That's good.
So I would signal now. Release your handbrake.
Oh, there's a white car coming.
Okay, so you want to cancel your signal again. Any idea why?
Because otherwise they're going to think I'm going and I'm not, because I'm waiting for him.
But again, a bit like a roundabout. They're miles away. He's all the way back there. You have plenty of time. You had the bite. Everything was there. All you needed to do was release the handbrake and Jerry would have moved off for you.
Yeah.
So again, you're going to look all around. Anything coming from behind?
Nothing.
No. Beautiful.
So I just need to wait for him and I'm good to go.
So you don't need to wait for anybody on the other side of the road to move.
Because I'm just moving forward.
He should be on his side of the road. If he's obviously on yours, then don't.
Yeah.
But yeah, the ones on the other side, I'm not much of a problem.
Do I have to indicate here? Because I'm going around the car, or is that just kind of a...
No, the obstruction is quite clear for everybody to see. So you would just check your mirrors because you're changing direction.
Right.
Think about your gears.
I need to go up.
Done. Ooh. Ooh.
Came off a bit fast on the club.
So we've got some more obstructions. You're going to check your side mirror. Good. You bring it out. You want to give it a door's width, okay? So I should be able to open Jerry's door right up without hitting that parked car.
Right.
And again, we have an obstruction. What mirror are you going to check? Well done. Lovely. Okay, for this one, I probably would move it back over because there's a bend. We can't see if there's something coming. And again, mirror check. Well done. But sometimes it is okay to hold up on the other side of the road. Saves you from swerving in and out.
If you can see nothing's coming, then it's fine.
Yes.
Right. Oh, I know where we are. It took me a while.
And at the traffic lights, we're turning right.
We're turning right. Right.
Rightio.
These traffic lights still count for us, don't they? It's actually a good question. Yeah, it is. Where am I supposed to... Oh, is it that white line there?
It's the solid white line, yeah. Good, well done. Yeah, always look for the solid white line. Sometimes they faded quite badly.
Yeah, I was
it's
a bit
hard
like,
to see.
Well, where am I supposed to be? But it's obviously because that bend's quite tight, they don't want it there.
Yes, yeah.
Got it.
Anything coming around like a bus here is going to need that extra turning space.
Yeah. When do I start indicating?
So where are we going?
Right.
Right. Okay, so you're going to check your mirrors.
No, that's a...
you're overthinking everything, aren't you?
I know, I know.
Do you need to signal? That was your question. What do you think?
Yes, but now or
Yeah, you could do. You're not going
just
to upset anybody by signalling now.
No, okay, that's fine.
Good.
Speak the devil and he proves our point.
Yeah, look at that.
Don't really get me, please.
Yeah, they're so skilled, aren't they, these
I know,
drivers?
I know. I'd love to be a bus driver for a day.
Me too.
I think it'd be
I
so
say
fun.
that all the time. I'd love to give it a go. I'd be hitting everything.
I know, so would I.
Boom, there goes the pedestrian crossing. Taking out the traffic light, the lampposts. Okay.
Right.
Set the gas. Lift the clutch. Okay, so this is where I mean I want to get you going forward. So move forwards. Come on, come on. Give gas. Come on, girl. You got this.
Like that.
And again, get going. We're like a hamster in a wheel. Come on. That's better. Well done.
Going.
Give it some oof.